Alright, welcome back to another unboxing video. I will put the link on both of these in the description below in case you guys are interested. These are probably two of the cheapest items on Amazon of its kind. I know certain versions of these go for a lot more, so if you guys seen in the thumbnail, you guys already know, so let's get into it. First and foremost, ordered both of them from Amazon. This one, packaging is a little weird. Has tape on the top, which I'm not sure if they missed the top part or if the top part got ripped off. So we'll see if that's the issue. I guess I might as well open it from there first. I'm using my Martha Stewart scissors. You know what I mean? Alright, let's go. Got both of these items from my kids. This item right here was for $16 on the dot. The other item was a little over $17. I want to say it was like $17.37 or something like that. Both of them included free shipping from Amazon, being a Prime member. And there it goes. My first official Loungefly book bags. Got that one, I got this one. I'll show you this one first. This is the New York Nets one. All in all, very adorable design. Got the emblems all the way around. Got the logo right there. Got the Loungefly right there. Has a zip-up pouch in the front. And of course, got the big pouch. Official NBA. This is definitely a real nice book bag compared to. You can tell the difference. It has a side pocket. Let me open up the main bag. As you know, some of these book bags go for crazy amounts of money. But they wanted to get something for their dad for their birthday, and I didn't want them to spend a lot of money. I wanted them to save more than spending, so I'm glad they found these with great deals. Here's what the inside look like. Has material in the front. Has the same material in the back. All in all, this is an amazing book bag. No, the New York Nets is not my favorite team, but still it's up there. I like all New York teams. I like New York Yankees. As far as basketball, gotta go with the Chicago Bulls. Chicago Bulls is number one, and number two is the Sixers. And then tie for third, I think, is all New York team, New York Nets, New York Knicks. So there you have it. Let me put all this stuff back in here and we'll move on to the next one. Here goes the other package. Not sure why they put it in a big box like this. It's the same size as the previous item, but whatever. Amazon got crazy sometimes. Alright, as I said, this one was $17.37, and this is actually shipped and sold by Amazon. That one was shipped by Amazon but sold by a third party, which, depending on which one you guys want, I will put the link below. That way you guys can get the same deal while they're still available. I do got a couple more coming, and a couple more that I'm keeping an eye on to see what they end up doing, if their price ends up dropping or not. So, big box for a tiny book bag. The book bags don't even take up half the space. I don't know. Free shipping. I think you guys are wasting more money on shipping than anything, but it's alright. Amazon third party did a better job packing this than you guys. This one has a little tear there, but let's see how the book bag looks itself. And this one right here. As you can tell, this one's a little different theme than the other one. The other one had the logos everywhere. This one's more of a basketball / football type material with the 76ers logo right there. Amazing. Got my 76ers on, so perfect match, you know what I mean? Once again, it has the Loungefly logo right there, also with NBA. It has a front zipper pouch, side pockets. Let's see what the inside of this one looks like. This one has 76er logos all around it. Very nice touch with the blue interior. I do like that this has a blue trimming on it. Nice touch for that one, making it a little bit more unique. All in all, great book bags. First two Loungefly book bags. Mini book bags, I should say. I think they look adorable. Not sure what I'm going to put in it. What I want to know in the comments below, do you guys think these book bags are for female or male? I see a lot of women wearing it, but I love them, so you might see me out and about with these. Let me know in the comment below what you guys think. Consider subscribing. Hope you guys enjoyed this amazing unboxing. Till next time, have a good one, and let's customize the world, alright?